On February 27th, Apply Yijing Institute Student Association of Weixin College invited Mr. Stan Shih, the founder of Acer Group, to deliver a lecture to the students. In his speech, titled The Way of Noble Leadership and Business Management, he shared his valuable life wisdom and business philosophy. The event was held via video conference at Amidaba Lecture Hall at Weixin headquarters, Xianforce Temple. The college's President Yang, Vice Presidents Yuan Xin and Li, President Yuan Yi of Yijing University, as well as many faculty members and students from the Heaven Appraisal Doctoral Program were in attendance. Before the lecture, Grandmaster Hunyuan Chanshi praised Chairman Shih for his outstanding contributions to Taiwan's business sector and encouraged everyone to listen attentively. Then, Student Association leader Zhang Shiji connected with Chairman Shih to officially kick off the online lecture. Chairman Shih began by sharing his philosophy of way of noble leadership. He highlighted the importance of creating value, balancing interests, and ensuring long-term sustainability. He also stressed the innovation and balancing both visible and hidden benefits are key to long-term business growth. He also encouraged focusing on long-term success over short-term gains, which deeply inspired the audience. During the Q&A session, students asked about business management and balancing values. Chairman Shih answered clearly, using examples of competition and cooperation to explain the balance between visible and hidden values. He stressed that true success comes from the right values and warned against focusing too much on visible gains. He also pointed out that balancing interests isn't about splitting them evenly, but adjusting as needed. He emphasized that leaders must be adaptable in times of change, which led to more questions on real-world applications from students. Chairman Shih encouraged students to think about whether they were chasing short-term financial gains or focusing on long-term growth and learning. He stressed that finding a balance between the two takes careful consideration. The discussion led to lively interactions and continued exchange of ideas. At the end of the lecture, Grandmaster Hunyuan Chanshi and the attendees thanked Chairman Shih for his insightful talk, praising the lecture for its rich content and inspiration. The event wrapped up successfully, with participants taking photos with Chairman Shih. Weixin Report, Headquarters, Xianforce Temple.